Hey y'all, so I'm out here. I wanted to give you a little bit of an update. Derek is working. He and Jack had some work to do, side work, and I'm home with the other kids, and actually Josiah's with them too. But I wanted to update you on what's going on around here this week. First we have little Miss Hope. Hi baby. And Hope, yeah, there's baby Hope. You're a baby goat. She broke her first tooth this week, so she's been a little bit cranky, but that teething necklace has helped. You can't climb out. And Jacob says that he's a baby goat. Oh, there goes the beagle. Yep. Anyways, Kylie has a real baby goat. You can't eat that baby goat. Miss Rosemary, sweet thing. They're getting hungry. We're getting ready to go out and milk. We moved the steers this morning from this pasture. They've eaten it down a lot. And this one's starting to come up, so hopefully we can give that one some more time to grow up. We really want to do some more intensive grazing, but until we get some lusher grass coming up, it's not really going to work that great. So there's fillet and sirloin, and we go pick up Chuck from the butcher. We get our beef back on Thursday. Next Thursday, so that's a week from today. Oh my goodness, this baby goat is just too much. You might be my favorite, but don't tell the other baby goats. Hey dog. So I'm gonna go over here and check out the garden. We transplanted all of our seedlings on Saturday. Yeah, Saturday. And so I'm gonna check and see how they're doing.
You wanna look? What's your...
No, don't let the dog in. He likes to dig holes in the garden. We need to keep the chickens out. So we started, let's see, we transplanted, what did we transplant over here? Melons. They look like they're doing, well, that one's kind of on the ground. Yeah, doing all right. We had some really heavy, oh, the dog got in here. We had some really heavy rain, so some of them got beat up a little bit, but not bad. The rain was overall actually, oops, really good for everything. So these look good. The green beans are looking really good. The other baby goats are yelling, it's time for bottles. So you can see the green beans are coming up. I did, in fact, find our other green bean seeds as soon as I went and looked for them. And we planted a whole row here of seeds. Of course, they haven't germinated yet. It's just been a couple days. Our okra's here doing great. Everything is really looking good. You can see the zucchini and all our squash. We have a lot of weeds. I weeded in between the green beans pretty good. Yeah, I see all the weeds right here. But I have not had time to come weed in between these rows, and I've got to do that. We got a lot of grass coming up. These potato plants were looking really good, and again, Tango, bad goat, got in the garden and she likes them and ate them down. I did some checking online and they are not poisonous to goats, thank goodness. But our cucumbers are looking good. We watered everything pretty good yesterday.
The lettuce thing, it's coming.
Yes, she ate our lettuce, but one of them is coming back again. So that's good. I'm hoping the others will come back. Yeah, there's been this huge lettuce recall in grocery stores, and I was like, well, I'm glad that we have lettuce that we've been able to harvest. And then she came and ate it all, but oh well. Oh, there's a bald eagle up there. Our peas are looking a little peaked. They're starting to get some pods on them, but it might be getting a little bit warm for them. So I'm hoping we can get a decent harvest off of them before it gets too hot. You can see some of them are drying up down there, and the goat also pushed them up and messed with them, but our corn looks good. So overall, in the garden, everything is really looking good. Oh yeah, she pulled a couple of carrots up too. We'll feed those to the horses. Naughty goats. So that was that. Let's go check out the meat birds. The meat birds are not doing great. We've been trying to troubleshoot and see. We put some more apple cider vinegar in their water. I think that will help just get their immune systems up. I think we just got kind of got a dud batch. That happened to us one other time. A couple times we haven't. We have decided that next time we get meat birds, which we're going to get some very soon again, we are definitely going to go with Freedom Rangers. We've wanted to try them in the past. We just never have because they don't grow out as fast, and then, you know, it's Cornish. But we just haven't been having very much luck, and the consensus amongst the community seems to be people who try the Freedom Rangers end up really liking them a lot better. So we found a place. A friend of mine sent me a link to where she gets her Freedom Rangers, and so they are actually a way better price than I thought they would be. I was thinking they'd be a lot more expensive. So we're gonna get another batch of 100 from them soon. And I think they'll do much better. She said in 5 years of raising chickens, they lost 1 total. And they've done a lot of chickens. So there's the rest of the babies. Hi. We've got Miss Lily. She's beautiful. And then we've got Peter over there. And the kids call him Meeps Jr. and him Lee. He was no name, but now they call him Lee because we have Rosemary, the girl, and Lee, the boy. And if any of you watch Wind Calls the Heart, you'll know that they're referring to Rosemary and Lee. Whoop, I'm walking on lumber. Whoop. So, thought that was kind of cute. Come on, I still got to get them registered. And then get the boys marketed and get them sold. It's going to be sad, but they can't stay. But we're going to definitely keep the girls, and that'll be exciting. She's following. Run, baby, run! Oh my goodness, baby goats are so cute. Don't mess with her, Buster. Hey, baby. Come here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, she's looking. They are so hungry. We got to feed them. We got to milk first so we can feed them. So there's the meat birds. They're doing all right. We've been moving the tractor every day. You know, just kind of doing the pasture rotation thing for them, or rotating them on the pasture. So, I better get over here and get these girls milked and get these babies fed for sure. All right, I'm milk Tango. Sometimes she's a little bit naughty and kicks, but she seems to be okay right now. She was good last fall. She just, since she kidded, she'd been a little bit cranky about milking, but she's really settling in. All these babies are ready for milk. So we're keeping Tango's milk for us to drink, and then we're still giving Mara's milk to the babies. For one, they drink a lot of milk, and for two, I'm waiting for the 2-week mark. So that's just a couple days away. So that hopefully all her hormones will settle and her milk will be good, and it'll be tasting good, not have any goaty flavor to it. She's ready to milk too. So I'm gonna get Tango emptied out and get her milk strained, and then bring Mara out and get her. Hi, baby goats.
They're eating my shorts.
Oh my goodness. Look how cute they are, Emma. They're starving to death. They're so cute. Alright. Rosemary's the last baby to be fed. They've all had their fill, and look how cute she is. She's so sweet.
His name is Rosemary LaVeau.
Rosemary LaVeau. Sweet baby goat. You love your baby goats. You've already eaten, mister. You've already had your fill. Just pet them and love them. No, don't pick him up.
No, put them down.
Meeps Jr., don't pick him up. Just love him. Okay, put her down. Don't pick him.
Meeps, Mom, he said Meeps is getting out like Peter. Are they jumping on you, Jakey?
It's okay.
It's okay, Jakey. They like to.
They like that. Their heads are sticking out. Yep. Alright, miss. You ate all that. Alright, that's it. Got my evening chores done. And got my bottles to take in and wash. Got the babies fed, and we're gonna go cook some dinner, and hopefully Derek and Jack will be on their way home soon, and we'll save them something good to eat. And get everybody to bed and start it all over again tomorrow.